Welcome back to Let's Go, and today I have two very special guests, my little children. We've got Rosie and we've got Gigi. And today we're going to be popping on the stickers for the Ninebot Max. And we're going to be popping on the aluminium cover for the bottom. Let's get started.
Here are the stickers.
I'm going to bring the camera forward.
Here are the stickers.
Let me look at this.
And we're going to put that on like that. But we're not going to do that yet. This is for the other side. I'm doing it on the other side we put here. No, we might need to do the silver first. We need to do silver's the big silver.
So what we're doing here is we're just cutting these into strips and then we're gonna pop them on. So first things first, I think that one goes like so. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll pop that one on first because that one goes against there.
Here. All we need to do is peel it off.
I want to put the first one on.
Okay.
Okay, you put the first one on, then I'll put the second one on.
So I'm going to pop the strip on. Rosie, come here. I'm going to put that there. Oh, no. Put it on nice, like, gently. Don't just chuck it on. So I'm going to pop that just round there like that.
You do that. Put that
Just make sure that works.
slowly put it down. And do we cut that off?
No, we're not going to cut everything. Just going to push it down. I think it needs to go down a bit more. They'll probably end up buying some more stickers after this.
Why?
This is probably going to go on wrong.
Because you can buy like
JJ is.
Hold on. Wait.
if it goes wrong you can buy 2 more packs. Then we can just keep doing.
Now it's the next one for JJ.
We're just going to put that like that for a second so that we know where that was going. So pop it in, push it down. Next one.
Let's push the next one down now.
That's it. Give it a good push.
This is going to be great soon. Let's go to Dad.
Yeah?
Dad, when we do this, do we have right on it?
Maybe.
Yeah.
So what we have done is took this break off.
So I'm not too worried about them not being perfect. I'll buy some more and do it later. Great to have the kids helping. One part of the sticker done.
So we have done this part, now we need to do the other side.
And that.
So we're just going to twist the
I need to
scooter
put
over
these.
and put this on.
Put the other side on. So we're going to line this one up.
Yeah.
Just at the top there. Hold on, don't press it yet. Let me get it lined up. Right, now press it.
Use your phone.
You copying me.
No, you're copying me.
No, you copying me.
No, you're copying me.
No, you copying me. JJ, where you going?
Typical kids, they go off when they're bored. There you go. Now, there you go. Push it down.
JJ, you gonna help me push this down? There.
That's it. And then we're going to gently just pull it up.
There.
That looks alright, doesn't it?
What's for the other stickers for?
The other stickers are for the side bit there. So,
For this part. Then I got the other sticks ready.
I think that one goes there, and then the other one will go on the other side.
Yeah, and this one will go like there.
That's right. Looks right, doesn't it?
If we just cut this bit off.
Let me just make sure. Hold on, push it down, get it stuck.
You are so far good.
And now gently pull it. Right, now you can just yank it.
Now we have to do the other side.
Yeah, it's not completely centre, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah, now we have to turn it to the...
I think that will do, doesn't it? What do you think? Does it look straight?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now we have to do the...
And then I'll pull this down and you squeeze that. Squeeze it all on there. That's it. Look at that. That looks good, doesn't it?
Whoa. That's the real right of it.
And then there.
Doing this
And
the
the
side. What do you think about it coming down below? We are going to do the base plate next. And it came with screws.
And then this hole's here.
So how do you think we're going to do the base plate?
So
Underneath.
we are going to do this underneath the scooter. But first we need to lay it on the table.
And make it.
So what do we need to do?
So we're going to put the scooter around the table.
Okay.
1 tool and some few screws.
Let's have a look at those screws.
And what we're going to do is put like that.
So that's going to actually overlay on top, isn't it? So.
And it's going to protect this.
So just so you know, I actually bought this off of AliExpress, I think it was, and a couple of little bends in the corner. It should be alright. It's only there to protect anyway. And we'll just have to figure out which side is going which way. Just going to undo all these by hand.
And we have got the hands.
There we go. So we're going to go through. Just take all these out.
I'm just going to hold this.
Pop it on this one. That's it. That's it.
I want to do it again.
Do that one then there. Pop them down here. All them.
I can't. That's one of the electric.
So we've
Yeah, so we've got the battery there, controller, and then the charging brick.
got
Yeah,
battery here and controller.
We're putting a new one there.
Alright, that will work.
Alright, so we've got the cover off. The new bolts don't come with any Loctite on them, and you should Loctite these before they go on. And it adds a little bit of extra protection for waterproofing. The reason why we're adding the protection on here is every time you go over a curb, you end up, cracking it here, and it's just a bit of a pain. So we just want to add a bit of shielding underneath. But this is going to go over the top of this one on there, and the shield. This actually provides the waterproofing. Right, so we'll stick a little bit on this one. Oh, actually, a little bit there.
It will help you with someone putting this on. It will really help you. So if you have a friend, you can call them over and they can help you do this.
So there we go. Nice little project with the children to add some stickers. They're not perfect, they're not in line on a lot of it, but it doesn't really matter. We can sort that out later. I actually abandoned the idea of adding this in. Oh, have you come to join me now, have you? So I've actually abandoned the idea of adding this on the bottom purely because the screws that came with it are absolutely terrible. They started rounding out and I didn't want to get them stuck in there. So I've taken that off, and if I get some better screws, I'll add it at a later date. But it was absolutely fun doing this with the kids and enjoying scooters together and teaching them young. So thank you very much for watching, and what do we ask?
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.